This ancient book has the potential to rewrite human history, as various archaeological discoveries continue to amaze us. Watch this video till the end to learn about underwater settlements that are over 6,000 years old. Mehdi Perica, an archaeologist, studied satellite images of Croatia's coastline and noticed something unusual. He decided to investigate further and discovered what is believed to be a Neolithic settlement from around 4,500 years ago, built on a small area of land linked to the primary island by a narrow strip. This discovery was unusual, as most Neolithic finds were made in caves. One of the unique aspects of the prehistoric development, found only in the Maltese Islands, is the Sleeping Lady, an artistic masterpiece from the Neolithic period. The oldest megalithic movable stone structures can be found on the Maltese Islands, and these intriguing structures predate the Egyptian pyramids and Stonehenge. The Sleeping Lady is thought to represent the goddess religion practiced on the islands, and a labyrinth-like structure known as the hypogeum, where the Sleeping Lady was discovered, adds to the mystery. Some believe that the hypogeum was used as a tomb, or for practicing the mysteries of the goddess, while others think that it was a sacred place for the ancient healing art of dream incubation. In Australia, an archaeologist discovered a 700-year-old Ming Dynasty banknote inside the cranial cavity of a 14th century wooden Buddhist sculpture. The banknote and the sculpture were later auctioned off as part of the Rapid Star collection of important Asian art in Sydney for USD $35,806. Although antique Buddhist sculptures are often popular treasures, this banknote is a unique find. Experts believe that a patron placed the banknote inside the sculpture while commissioning repairs 40 or 50 years after it was created during China's Han period, estimated to be around the 14th century. The wood sculpture depicts the head of Luhun, a wise person who achieved various stages of enlightenment and later reached nirvana. The banknote itself is over 700 years old and was created during China's Ming Dynasty, which lasted nearly 300 years from 1368 to 1644. The oldest map of Europe, an ornate Bronze Age stone slab, was discovered in France in 1900 and is now housed at the Museum of National Antiquities. It was later revealed to be the oldest known map of Europe, dating back to the early Bronze Age between 2150 to 1600 BCE. The slab was once part of a stone wall surrounding a small coffin-like box used to hold the dead bodies. The study also identified it as the oldest known representation of a known territory in Europe, possibly indicating the political power of an early Bronze Age principality. The slab contains repeated motifs joined by lines to form a map layout, and the engraved surface reveals that the topography was purposely 3D shaped to represent the Oban Valley. Several lines also depict the river network. The territory displayed on the slab corresponds to a 30-kilometer by 21-kilometer area along the Old Dent River's course. The central motif displayed as a symbol of the enclosure suggests that the center of the territory may have existed within three massive river springs: the Iso, the Old Dent, and the Ester Lair. The St. Black slab is concurrent with the famous Nebra sky disk discovered in Germany, the oldest and most ancient concrete depiction of the cosmos, and highlights prehistoric society's categoric knowledge. It also depicts a strong political body that tightly controlled a region in the early Bronze Age. In 2020, the oldest meteorite in the Sahara Desert in Africa landed, estimated to be around 4.6 billion years old and predating the solar system. It became popularly known as EarthCheck. EC002 was discovered in May 2020 near Bourbon-Décol and southern Algeria, after a team checked the CNC based on its discovery in an Algerian site. It is believed to be an artifact from the protoplanet, a large body of matter in orbit around the Sun or another star during the development of a planet. The rock has a coarse texture and grained, tan appearance, with green, yellow-green, and yellow-brown crystals formed from magma or molten rock. The researchers estimated that the magma was around 1,000 220 Celsius and took about 100,000 years to cool down. The team hypothesized that the astronomical body would have been destroyed or absorbed by larger planets as they approached the Sun. Metal detectorists in Wales, UK, discovered 8 medieval and late medieval treasures, including golden and silver treasures from the 9th to the 17th century AD. One of the most remarkable discoveries was the Memento Mori ring, a gold posy ring inlaid with white emerald and engraved with a skull. The inscription on the ring, "Remember you must die," is a reminder that life is short. The treasures provided anthropologists with insights into the lives of wealthy members of medieval society. Archaeologists recently discovered the lost Golden City, the largest ancient city near Luxor. The city was founded between 1391 and 1353 BC during the reign of Amenhotep I, the 9th king of the 18th dynasty, who ruled during the second half of the New Kingdom period. The team discovered a bakery, an administrative district, a residential area, pottery, and other commonplace items. It is the second most significant archaeological find since King Tut's tomb. The newly discovered city provides a rare glimpse into the life of the ancient Egyptians at the height of the empire and sheds light on why the pharaoh and his queen moved to Amarna. The team also discovered hieroglyphic inscriptions on the lids of wine vessels and other containers, providing clues to the city's history. The researchers found a zigzag wall enclosing an administrative and residential area, indicating restricted movement in and out, and a manufacturing facility for mud bricks. Unusual discoveries include a burial of 2 cows or bulls and a human burial with a rope wrapped around the knees. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Never forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell icon for updates.